Howdy folks, it's Tuesday afternoon. We usually have a video every Monday and every Thursday. This week is one of those ones where everything sort of blew up in my face and didn't work. I spent Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and part of Monday, getting ready to show you a machine that was going to be a really good price. Well, the company has informed me the video can't be released until Saturday, November the 11th. It's like, but it'll be a Black Friday deal. It'll be an unbelievably low price with a discount coupon. So I invite you to, try to tune in Saturday or try to catch up with it, because I have a funny feeling these things are going to sell out. Yeah, that's the baby right there. Yeah. Also got Beaver. We're looking at some different tools from Beaver right now to try to rush in to try to get on Black Friday with special deals, special pricing, that sort of thing. Also have some other power stations to show. Again, same thing, Black Friday prices. So we sort of got swamped this past week with a lot of Black Friday deals and a lot of different product lines wanting to come in here, and it's just been an unbelievable mess, because they get you the stuff and then you go to put it together and they go, oh, well, wait a minute, we don't want you to show that till the 23rd or the 11th or the 24th. It's like, but I do a show Monday and Thursday. So this show here, there's no episode number, and there'll be no intro and no outro. I'm not even sure what we're gonna do for a thumbnail right now. We'll figure that out, right? But I just wanted to update you guys. Save your nickels and dimes. This thing is gonna be an unbelievable price, and it's an interesting show, I hope, for anybody that's interested in high-speed 3D printing. But I've also got a belt sander and some other, typical wood tools and things coming in that we're going to be having special prices on with Black Friday and stuff. So it's all going to be great. But the thing is it puts a lot of extra work and time on me. Like I said, this here I spent 3 days, and the 4th day was trying to wrap it up to get over this, and the show ran longer than I wanted, that sort of thing. But it's like, hey, it's going to be great. And they've already sent me over the codes and links and discount prices, and it was like, holy cow, yeah, whoa, this is going to be good. Same with Beaver. Beaver has been contacting me, been keeping in touch this week, and we've been looking at the catalogs of stuff and deciding, what can we do, what's going to be the best, for interest and also for sale prices and stuff for you guys. So I think we're going to have some great stuff there too. But I just needed to update you on everything, because the show today, was Monday, this is now Tuesday, didn't happen. Well, doesn't get released until Saturday. And Thursday, I will try to make sure that we have a show for you now for Thursday. It won't be anything that was planned apparently now, because everything is just absolutely, just backing up in reverse. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get back to normal around here shortly. Thanks you for watching Coffee and Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the notice bell, and we'll get back with you back to normal. We'll try as early as Thursday, but Saturday we will have a release. So you may want to catch that one. Over and out.